lack of sleep can lead someone to insanity. Science, so these researchers coming from science, lack of sleep can lead to insanity. Kasi yung brain hindi nagpo-function ng maayos. Have you ever experienced having lightheadedness when you do not sleep very well in the evening? Lightheaded ka. Sometimes you are prone to what? Dizziness. Kaya doon ko nag-uumpisa yung, anong tawag mo sa sakit na yun? Vertigo. That's right. So, minsan yung mga, those who may have some apparent or obvious symptoms can be taken as insanity. Symptoms of insanity. But, sabi nga ni katulad po ni Elijah did not have much sleep. He was been running away. For how many days? 40 days and 40 nights. Imagine mo, obstruction, yes, obstruction of the circadian rhythm of the body. Kaya siya, marami nang nasasabi. Nasabi, I want to die, I want to live peace. Mabuti na lang, di siya pinagbigyan ng Panginoon, ang ganong klase. So, hindi nakakapag-isip na mabuti. What did God do? He fed him and go to sleep. I do not know if you have heard of my testimony in relation to this. When I was a student, I had some difficulties in mathematics, basically in mathematics. I'm not a good mathematician. I'm good in analysis, but I cannot function in the normal, shall I say, coping with mathematical figures. Silin okay yan kasi accountant na siya. Ang ganun, kaya niya yan. Pero kung hindi ko kaya yung ganun. But I had difficulties in that my nervous system was affected because since I wanted to have good grades, I wanted to study very well, I was shall I say, awake up to early in the morning, and then to keep awake, I took Valium. Yeah, I took Valium. Yes. Kasi ano na yun final. And then on the day of the exam itself, I could not write anything. My mind was blank. My mind was blank. I did not have anything in my brain that time. So my health was affected. My brain was affected. My nervous system was affected. That I began to have hallucinations. And then one time, I was aware of my incident in the bus. But I was already smiling and talking, and the people around me were looking at me already suspiciously that I had something. Deranged na ako. Deranged na ako, parang ganun, So, ang nangyari, I do not know the missionaries who took care of me during the time. They saw that because I was studying in a Bible school. And then maybe they have prayed for me. And then I was able to sleep. That they began to worry because I cannot be awakened. Tuloy-tuloy yun. 2 days yata yun straight. Natulog ako. I was so deep in my sleep. But after that deep sleep, I regained my consciousness, my awareness. So yung the cases, the mental cases that we see, sometimes, because of this misalignment, ang tawag mo yun, sa circadian system, nasusolve ng sleep. You don't need medicine. I did not have any medicine at all. I just had a good sleep. Diretso for 2 days. Nagtaigligan yung mga missionaries namin. Nag-worry na talaga sila sa akin. But ako, nagising ako ng puta. So now, here, being the light then, alam po natin yan, what we can do, no? It can be shall I say, taken well if you are going to see the symbols of this. The spiritual symbol of light is what? Hope. Hope. Another thing is healing. Okay? Illumination of the spiritual path. Okay? Transcendence. Transcendence means going beyond our normal limit. Sabi niya, transcendence means going beyond ordinary limits, physical reality, or normal human experience. Often, going beyond to a higher spiritual or more holistic state of consciousness, creativity, or being. Yun daw. That is what light can do. And then here comes the Lord Jesus saying, I am the light of the world. Sabi niya ganyan. So in the spiritual context, Jesus Christ himself said, I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but will have the light of life. That is found in John 8:12. Okay. But one of the most practical definitions of light is simply this. It embraces cessation, meaning to say stoppage of darkness. Okay, now, so if Jesus Christ is your light, then yung sinasabi niya, let your light so shine upon you, is not your own personal light, but Jesus Christ himself. He is your light. So when you emanate the light, it is Christ as light in you who should be projected to the world, that they may see Christ in that light, in you as a person. Not your own good works, but Jesus Christ himself. But of course, being obedient to his instructions. Dito ba? That is what it is meant by that. Kasi kaya sinabi ko nga kanina, sabi nga po nung inawit natin kanina, let the beauty of Jesus Christ be seen in us. It is not our own beauty, it is only us embodying that light. Binibigyan natin, we materialize the light of Jesus in our own body, so that others may see him as the light. It's not our own personal light, but it was Jesus Christ's light. Okay, so that's how it is now, no? I don't know if I am just pwede po ba we have a Sunday school, meron po tayong Sunday school channel, no? Account tayo. Pwede po ba can you later on when we shall have gone home, if you remember our lesson today, can you just send text, mag-text po kayo doon, and then sabihin nyo, you just tell how does our passage this morning with salt and light has touched you in our studies. Para makita natin, what is it? What is the saltiness and light in you? Anong effect nito sa inyo? Knowing that Jesus Christ himself is the salt and light. If we could do that, we have that in our Sunday school. FBC Sunday School, ano pa?
FBC Adult Bible Study Group.
May GC?
Yung
Meron kayo isa.
Okay.
Meron po kang bago.
You want to join?
You can send your text there. So anong magiging, i-check na lang sa we have an account. FBC Sunday School.
I can add you sa group natin.
Request lang.
Meron po tayo, FBC Sunday School. Okay? So,
I can add you.
can we sing again that song? This one? Let us here.
Go to your Facebook or your then search this FBC near Facebook. You search this and you can what is your name? What is your Facebook? Where you can add me.
Well, that's a very good song. Let the beauty of Jesus Christ be seen in me, and the prayer is, oh Spirit divine, let my nature refine. Feel the beauty of Jesus be seen. Opo. Nasa YouTube. Let the beauty of Jesus be seen in me. Nasa YouTube po yan. Okay. Swami Richard Ministry. African ang ano nito. Okay po. So let us end our let the beauty of Jesus be seen in me. Okay. The beauty. Sundan po